Begin by getting into a quadruped position on the floor. Your hands should be placed shoulder width apart, directly underneath your shoulders, and your knees directly underneath your hips, about hip width apart. Lift your knees off the ground. Engage your core to make sure that your hips do not sag towards the floor. Transition into the downward dog pose by pushing your hips upward and backwards. Keep your knees bent during this movement. Aim to bring your head close to or past your biceps while simultaneously pulling your chest towards your thighs to deepen the stretch. Adjust your feet so that you are comfortable in this position. It's okay if your heels do not touch the ground. Make sure that your head remains between your arms. Your ears should line up with your biceps. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 seconds, taking the time to feel the stretch across your shoulders, back, and hamstrings. Return to the starting quadruped position by lowering your hips and realigning your shoulders directly over your hands while keeping your knees off the ground. Shoulder dogs are an excellent exercise for improving flexibility, mobility, and strength in the shoulders while also enhancing core stability. This movement not only aids in releasing tension from the upper body, but also helps in strengthening the core and lower back, making it a beneficial addition to any workout routine focused on flexibility, strength, and overall body awareness. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to